Meaning of feign.
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 feign,
Feign. The word feign means to pretend or simulate something. It is used to describe the act of faking or putting on a false appearance. This can refer to emotions, actions, or even entire situations that are not actually true. When someone feigns something, they are intentionally deceiving others in order to achieve a particular outcome. This can result in a variety of consequences, including mistrust, confusion, and potentially harmful outcomes for those involved. Ultimately, feigning is a form of deception that can cause significant problems if left unchecked.